And in response to what the World Health Organization declared a global pandemic, travel to the United States from 26 European countries will be suspended for the next 30 days. President Donald Trump made this announcement on Wednesday night in a bid to combat the coronavirus, with the cases now at more than 1,000 in that country.
President Donald Trump said the new travel restrictions on Europe, which will begin on Friday, is to combat the spread of the coronavirus. He said the strong but necessary restrictions will not apply to the United Kingdom, where more than 450 cases of the virus has been confirmed. U.S. cases of the virus has hit 1,200, with 37 deaths recorded.
My fellow Americans, tonight I want to speak with you about our nation's unprecedented response to the coronavirus outbreak that started in China and is now spreading throughout the world. Today, the World Health Organization officially announced that this is a global pandemic. We have been in frequent contact with our allies, and we are marshaling the full power of the federal government and the private sector to protect the American people.
The president, who faces re-election in November, spoke in a somber Oval Office speech as he battles to address the health and economic shocks to Americans and responds to mounting criticism that he has underplayed the threat from the mushrooming coronavirus crisis.
And most of all, if you are sick or not feeling well, stay home. To ensure that working Americans impacted by the virus can stay home without fear of financial hardship, I will soon be taking emergency action, which is unprecedented, to provide financial relief. This will be targeted for workers who are ill, quarantined, or caring for others due to coronavirus. I will be asking Congress to take legislative action to extend this relief.
The mayor of Washington, D.C. also declared a state of emergency on Wednesday as city officials grow increasingly concerned about conventions, sporting events, and large gatherings in the U.S. Capitol. The city has confirmed 10 cases of coronavirus, which has caused several area universities to cancel in-person classes.
Today, I want to announce that I am declaring both a state of emergency and a public health emergency in Washington, D.C. While this is an administrative action largely, it will give me more authority to implement and fund the measures that we need to monitor and respond to COVID-19 in our community.
Mr. Bowser issued an advisory recommending all non-essential gatherings of over 1,000 people be cancelled through the end of the month. After the news conference, sporting events, concerts, and the National Cherry Blossom Festival announced they will postpone or cancel some events. The city's St. Patrick's Day Parade has also been postponed indefinitely. President Donald Trump vowed he would use all government resources necessary to combat the virus, which has killed 32 people in America and ravaged Italy, China, and other countries.